see if this keyway works. So keyway guide in the pulley. Goes in like that, and it's too big for the press, which means you're gonna have to slide some of it through by hand so it fits under the press. So I'll be back in a second. Oh, it's harder than what I thought it was going to be. Note to self, bolt it to the bench next time. Bit of lubricant. See that in there? Keyway. Well, that went everywhere. You put a little shim in, and that should give you the full depth keyway. So I realised the arbor press isn't big enough. Upgrade required. However, I'm going to use this instead. Drill press. Works just as well, if not better.